How to log out your Twitch account. Our guest facing issue to log out your Twitch account. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log out your account from Twitch, first of all, open the Twitch application on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Twitch on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. So once you open up the app, you can see options over here. Just tap on profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see this option for setting at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on settings. Once you click on settings, you can see multiple options available over here. Just simply look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for logout. You are looking to log out your account, right? Just tap on logout and again click on logout. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to log out your account on Twitch. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.